What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Sony HXR-NX80 professional camcorder, so stick around. Welcome back, and I'm really excited today to share with you my new YouTube camera, the Sony HXR-NX80 professional camcorder. As I usually do with every product I purchase, I spent about 3 months researching which camera or camcorder was going to be best for me. Now I currently shoot all my videos, including this one that you're watching now, with a Canon 80D DSLR camera. Now a couple of other camcorders that I was thinking about purchasing and had to decide between was the Canon XF400 and the Sony PXW Z90, which comes with a 3G SDI output. Now I will be explaining at the end of the video why I chose this particular model over those two models, so once again stick around to the end of the video. For now, let's go ahead and get the NX80 out of the box. First off, we get a very nice presentation from Sony. In opening up the lid on the box for the very first time, we're presented with a little bit of literature. And we also get some physical CD style discs that I don't even think I have a disk drive anymore, so I won't be using those. And we also get the actual operating guide itself. Next up in the box is the large eye cup, which is going to work excellent for a brightly lit day. Now it's extremely soft and built very well. Next is one of the first parts of two for the charging cable. And here's the second part, which houses the actual brick and the part that plugs into the camera itself. Also included is a lens hood. Now unfortunately it doesn't have the opening and closing mechanism to help protect the lens. Next up, we have the included battery, along with the RMT845 wireless remote. Next up, we have the XLR handle that houses a cold shoe, as well as a spot for a microphone. We also get a start and stop button for recording, as well as a zoom functionality button. We also have a spot to attach a possible flash. And on the right side, you can see we have our two XLR inputs. And on the bottom is where we're going to slide the actual XLR handle onto the camera itself. And on the left side of the handle is our XLR controls. And as you can see, it does provide a lot of options in terms of recording. So it does provide phantom power if that's what you'd like. You can also select if you'd like to record off of channel 1 and 2 or just the first channel. You can also adjust the gain and decibel levels as well. And on the front of the handle is a little bit of Sony branding. And now we've gotten to the camcorder itself. So first up, we'll go ahead and take it out of its protective packaging. And after doing so, I have to say it looks extremely nice. Let's go ahead and take a quick look around the camera. So starting off on the side, as you can see, this is a 4K camera. It also has zoom and focus control that you can adjust and set differently in the camera. So you can actually adjust the focus ring in the front, and you can set which one you want that to adjust every time you adjust the ring. So you can set it to zoom or focus. You also have autofocus and a manual focus button ring. You also get a menu button, an iris button, an ISO or gain button, and a shutter speed button, which is excellent that this camcorder features manual controls. On the back is where you're going to house the battery. You also have your start and stop button, as well as your control knob. You also have an auto and manual button on the top left, along with your 3 ND filter selections on the bottom left hand corner. We also have our viewfinder and our HDMI port. On the right side is the camcorder grip, as well as a Sony branded hand strap. Located on the bottom is our battery release, as well as our tripod mount. At this juncture in the video, I have to say that the camcorder feels extremely well built and excellent in the hand. When we open up the display, you can see that we have a power button, so we can turn the camera off while the screen's open or on. We also have a white balance button, our S and Q button, our display button, our picture profile button, and our status check, which is our 1, 2, and 3 buttons. We also have an option to take a quick thumbnail. We also have a slot select button and a 3.5mm headphone jack option at the bottom as well. Now something that I really like about this camcorder is that it has dual card slots, so you can record at the same time to 2 cards in case one fails. Or you can have the cards run back to back, meaning once one card runs out, it automatically goes to the next one. As you can see, we have a fully articulating screen. The Sony NX80 is a professional 4K camcorder with a 1-inch sensor paired with Sony's Zeiss lens. The included top handle truly does make this camcorder an XLR and NX model, adding some very important XLR inputs, including an option to use 48 volts of phantom power. Now the NX80 features 3 built-in ND filters, which is extremely important for shooting outdoors. The NX80 has an 18-time clear image zoom capability and a 24-time if shooting in full HD. The camcorder features a multi-interface hot shoe on the camera body itself, along with a cold shoe on the handle, which again is extremely convenient. The camcorder features a 10-bit codec and 120 frames per second slow motion. You also get NFC for quick Wi-Fi connectivity, face tracking, excellent autofocus tracking, and an ability to record in S-Log3. The NX80 also has a wide autofocus coverage area of 84% and has 273-point face detection, with the ability to force timecode. This is just an unboxing video and first impressions video, however I will be doing a full review of the Sony NX80, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that content. Let me know down in the comments section below if you have any questions about the NX80 and I'll try to answer them in the full review video. If you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all relevant links will be located down in the video description. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron and I'll see you guys on the next one.